Today, a 1-minute PDR fix. How to get a dent out of a bumper, or some would rather say pop a dent out, under the acronym DIY. Hello my YouTube friends. My first name is Kim, my last name is Clark. Normally, I'm the man of steel. However, today, I'm going to be the man of plastic. 18-inch dent on a bumper. I'm going to remove it under 1 minute in real time, no time lapse. Let's get started. My PDR tool of choice today is a broomstick handle. And that piece of tape there is actually counting the inches. I'm going to run the handle directly between the lining and the bumper. And this video is running in real time. That dent's going to come out in under 60 seconds. And I'm going to push out a couple additional low spots. Do you have a go-to tool to remove a bumper dent? Leave a comment below. Here's the finished product in natural sunlight. The dent came out cleanly. We restored the line on that body line. Here's the before and after. I have more PDR dent content for you I need to edit. Be sure to hit the sub and notification button, and I will catch you in the next video.